Hello everyone! Today we're going to be doing a demo of our free call evaluation tool by Insight7. This tool was built to take call recordings and then analyze them for insights on the performance of the speakers on the call. This tool can be used to analyze agent performance for customer call agents and sales reps. Let's start out by recording, which is what you see open on their screen. We'll begin by uploading a call. I have a call recording already prepared, and we'll start by uploading it. The call is now being transcribed. All we have to do is pick our criteria, which is client engagement calls. As you can see, the call has already been transcribed. On the left-hand side, we see the transcription. On the right-hand side, we see the evaluation of the call, the performance, and the breakdown of the performance. Looking at the performance breakdown, we see the breakdown and the highlights of the call, what worked well, and basically all of that within the call. There's a lot more to the performance breakdown that we can look at. Right now, you see key highlights and a summary on our scorecard section. If you go to coaching tips, you'll see advice on how we could do better based on the call breakdown. Then right here, you'll see improvement suggestions, which basically show how this tool can help us improve our calls and become better. So this is our call evaluation tool. Give it a try and get started evaluating your calls. This video was brought to you by Insight7, the AI tool that uncovers revenue opportunities hidden in your customer conversations.